In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy in Depop 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from browsing to checkout with confidence. Start by heading to Depop. You can use the website in your browser or the mobile app if that's more convenient. Once you land on the home page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll see a feed of items, a search bar, and navigation to explore different types of products. This is your starting point for finding exactly what you want. You can browse all products to see what's trending, or narrow things down by opening a specific section or category. Picking a section helps you focus on relevant items faster. While you're exploring, use filters like size, color, or price to refine the results so you don't waste time on items that don't fit your needs. When you spot a product you like, click it to open the listing. This takes you to the product details page, and it's worth slowing down here. Look through all the photos, read the description carefully, and note the condition, measurements, and any seller notes. Check the shipping options and estimated costs so there are no surprises at checkout. If variations are available, choose the size and color that suit you, and set the quantity you want. If you're between sizes, review any measurements provided, since fit can vary across brands and styles. Once you've made your selections, click Add to Bag. You should see confirmation that the item is in your bag. When you're ready to move forward, select View Bag to review everything in one place. Confirm the item details, size, color, quantity, and shipping method. This is also a good time to check the total, including shipping and taxes, and apply any valid discount codes you may have. Next, choose Checkout Item to proceed. You'll be prompted to add a new shipping address. Enter your full name, street address, city, postal code, and contact details. If you live in an apartment or unit, include the number to avoid delivery issues. Double check for typos before continuing. Now select your preferred payment type and follow the prompts to pay. Make sure your billing details match your payment method to prevent declines. Before you confirm, review the order summary one more time to ensure everything looks correct. Then proceed to pay to place your order. That's it. You've successfully shopped on Depop. Keep an eye out for your order confirmation and tracking updates, and enjoy your new find.